Okay, so today class 2. So yesterday class 1 is completed. Today is the class 2. So yesterday where I stopped, today we want to continue from there. So we want to know the release, SAP release. Now today we want to know the SAP release. So SAP release means so here I go to the maintenance planner. So here we want to know about software components. Later we get the topic about software components. What is this software components? So first of all here, later that topic is the software components. Now we want to know about the release. Here we know every SAP product version we got release, SAP release. So depending on SAP release only, kernel supporting and everything will be based. Yesterday, I told SAP S4HANA, for SAP S4HANA 2025, this kernel version is supported. Like that, we told no. Only Unicode kernel only supported. Why non-Unicode kernel is not supporting? Now we want to know that one. So here I already told you, I already show you two types of kernels is there. Unicode kernel and non-Unicode kernel. Two types of kernel software is there. Two types of kernel software is there. Unicode kernel software is there. Non-Unicode kernel software is there. So yesterday I show you for SAP S4HANA server system, what are the kernels is supported. For SAP S4HANA Java system, what are the kernel is supported, I show you. But here only Unicode kernel only supporting, non-Unicode kernel is not supporting. Now we want to know that one. Why non-Unicode kernel is not supporting, only Unicode kernel only supporting. Now we want to know that one. So here I'm showing SAP S4HANA 2021. I'm showing SAP S4HANA 2021 system. So here we saw software components. In ABAP system only, the software components is there. Now we are seeing in ABAP system, here we saw this is SAP S4HANA 2021. SAP S4HANA 2021. SAP Basis. SAP API. Why there are so many software components is there? I think 130, 100 like that software components is there here. Why we are discussing about only these two software components? Why very important software components? SAP API and SAP underscore basis. Why means I told later. You got it. Why these two software components are very important. Today you got it clearly. Now here, TC means for SAP S4HANA 2021, SAP basis UC means 756 release. That means it is 756 release. SAP S4HANA 2021 is 756 release. Like that, we want to see SAP S4HANA 2022 also. So I'm showing real-time systems only. This is real-time system in company. Now I'm showing another real-time system in company. Here we saw SAP S4HANA 2022. 757 release. 757. Now we want to see SAP S4HANA 2023. SAP S4HANA 2023. SAP S4HANA 2023. 758 release. 758 release. Now we want to see SAP S4HANA 2025. Here 2025, it is totally changed. 2025, it is total change. So 816, 816, 816. Actually, SAP S4HANA 1511 onwards. SAP S4HANA 1511 release is 750. SAP S4HANA 1610 is 751. SAP S4HANA 1709 is 752. SAP S4HANA 1809 is 753. SAP S4HANA 1909 is 754. SAP S4HANA 2020 is 755. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. Here they started 750 onwards up to 758. But SAP S4HANA 2021, they totally changed. 816. Now, your question, why non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for SAP S4HANA? Only Unicode kernel software only supported for SAP S4HANA. Why non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for SAP S4HANA? That is the question you want to know. Non-Unicode kernel supported up to 740 and lower releases. 740 and lower releases. But here SAP S4HANA 2021 is 756 release. SAP S4HANA 2022 is 757, 758, 816. Here SAP S4HANA releases are 750 and higher releases. But non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases only. Non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases, but SAP S4HANA releases are 750 and higher releases. That's why non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for installing SAP S4HANA software. So in company compulsory, they ask you, why non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for installing SAP S4HANA product? So you want to tell non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases only. All SAP S4HANA versions are 750 and higher releases, higher versions. That is the one. Okay, now we got it clearly. What SAP S4HANA releases and why non-Unicode kernel software is not supported, we got it clearly. Next, another point we want to go. Another point we want to go, we want to know that one. What is that means? I show here. We see here, when we install SAP S4HANA 2025, what I found here, in SAP S4HANA 2025, SAP S4HANA server is there. Okay, here. In SAP S4HANA 2025, SAP S/4HANA server. Already we know what I told. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system. It is ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP S/4HANA 2025, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. That one we know. Here not only SAP S/4HANA 2025 we are not installing. Not only that one, we are installing SAP S/4HANA Foundation also. SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2025. In SAP S/4HANA Foundation, SAP S/4HANA Foundation. And not only that one, ABAP Platform 2025. So application server ABAP. So that means here what I'm telling, after installing SAP S/4HANA 2025, in the system SAP S/4HANA server is there, SAP S/4HANA Foundation is there, and application server ABAP, AS ABAP. In shortcut, it is called as AS ABAP. Actually, we want to install separately SAP S/4HANA Foundation separately is there. We want to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation means separately we want to install. We want SAP S/4HANA Foundation means separately we want to install, and also by default in your SAP S/4HANA system where you install SAP S/4HANA software, in that system also SAP S/4HANA Foundation is available. That is another software. SAP S/4HANA Foundation is one of the software. We want to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation in separate system is possible to install. And by default in your SAP S/4HANA system, that SAP S/4HANA Foundation also is available. I'm showing that one. So suppose in my system, I install SAP S/4HANA 2025 means I got SAP S/4HANA server system. In that system only SAP S/4HANA Foundation is available. In that system only application server ABAP, AS ABAP. These three will be installed. I showed that one also. In this training, I showed that one also. When we see that one, you got it clearly. Suppose I installed SAP S/4HANA 2023 means we got SAP S/4HANA server, same SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2023 and ABAP Platform 2023. So that is one. And another important point means it is possible to practice SAP basis in SAP S/4HANA. Yeah, it is supported. SAP S/4HANA software is supported for practicing. But here we remember minimum 128 GB RAM required. Minimum, I'm telling, not maximum. Minimum we required 128 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD, better 2 TB SSD. 1 TB is okay, but they take lot, 700 GB like that they take. So you want to do practice SAP basis, everything means so minimum in your system you have 256 GB RAM or 320 GB RAM like that is. That means it's possible to practice SAP S/4HANA. So process also more process they require. So that's why it is for learning time, for who are learning SAP basis course, from your side, it is not possible to practice SAP S/4HANA. Why means they require more hardware. That's why by seeing in SAP S/4HANA, what are the experiments we are doing? By seeing, we want to learn only because we require more RAM, more hard disk and everything. So SAP S/4HANA, your future SAP software is SAP S/4HANA only. After 2030 is completed in company, they use only SAP S/4HANA software only. They don't use any other SAP software. They use only SAP S/4HANA software only. Okay, now here we see ABAP system. No, now we go to Java system. Here I am selecting Java system. Okay, here we are SAP S/4HANA Java we are installing. SAP S/4HANA Java. So other not installing, only SAP S/4HANA Java only we are installing. So here in SAP S/4HANA, what we learn means about SAP S/4HANA. Some small information only we are learning. And release plan. We learn SAP S/4HANA releases and present what versions is available. SAP S/4HANA is supported for installing ABAP system and Java system. And so which databases is supported? We learn which databases is supported. We learn and kernel details and SAP S/4HANA releases details. And after installing ABAP, what is available? After installing Java, what is available? So this information we learn here in SAP S/4HANA. So it is enterprise management software. So now SAP S/4HANA is completed. Now we want to go to another one, another software. Now we want to know what is that another software? SAP ERP. SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. It is also enterprise management software. Enterprise management. And one more important point before showing this one, I want to show one thing. After showing that one, I told this one about this one. So here SAP S/4HANA also enterprise management software. SAP S/4HANA also enterprise management software. Okay, now here I want to tell one thing for about SAP S/4HANA. Twenty 2022, here we saw only 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025 only is available for installing. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA fully activated appliances there. Here we go here installation means, here we go to here installation means Java. SAP S/4HANA 2025 Java. So software is there, Java software is there. That means you install SAP S/4HANA Java is possible. Now I click here export. So this is non-IDEAS. There are two types of system system. We use SAP S/4HANA non-IDEAS one, and another one is IDEAS system. Okay, here non-IDEAS. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA fully activated appliances. SAP S/4HANA fully activated appliances. This is IDEAS. SAP S/4HANA fully activated appliances means IDEAS. Fully activated appliance. What is means? That is IDEAS. What is that IDEAS means? So it is already developed. Entire business, they build in that software. In company, we have technical models. Technical models. Technical models are basis, security, like that. Functional models is there. Functional models. Functional models means in Google also you type means functional models, you got it. FICO, SDMM, like that. Functional models list, you type like that means we got. Here like this. SAP MM, material management, SAP PP, product planning, SAP SD, sales and distribution, SAP HCM, human capital management, SAP FICO. FICO is there, it is separated. Financial accounting, FICO, financial accounting and controlling. SAP QM, quality management. SAP QM, quality management, SAP CRM, SAP PM, plant maintenance, SAP PS, project system, SAP SRM. So these are functional models. Technical models are this one. SAP ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming, SAP Basis, SAP Hana, SAP BW, Business Warehouse. So SAP NetWeaver. So these are the technical models. So now we are knowing that ideas, no? These functional models is there, no? These functional models want to log on to, they want to develop business. For example, I told you, when you enter into the DMart, you enter into the bill counter, in DMart server system, already software is installed. By using that software, they generate a bill to you, to all the customers. That is like ideas. For example, you are using laptop. When you when you take your laptop to DMart, by using your laptop, you make bill is possible? No. Why? In your laptop, there is no software. So your is non-ideas. Non-ideas. So DMart system is ideas. So by using that, they generating the bill. Like that here also, SAP S4HANA is enterprise management software. This is ideas. In ideas system only, this functional models users login in that one. In idea system only, this functional models users log in and they're developing their business. Why? In idea system only, that functional models developing business entire software is ready. In non-ideas is not possible. In ideas only. So that's I'm telling. There are two types of softwares is there in SAP S4HANA. One is non-idea software and another one is idea software. Two types of softwares is there. So very, very important one is this fully activated appliances installation. Every SAP basis administrator compulsory we want to learn. But until now, from starting, who are learning? When I'm learning time, before 15 years, before 10 years, whatever, until now, no one teaching how to install SAP S4HANA fully activated appliances. But in company, SAP basis administrator only compulsory want to install SAP S4HANA fully activated appliances. Total all SAP software installation is one way. SAP S4HANA fully activated appliance installation is different way. So it's not same. All SAP software installation is one way. That means when you learn one SAP software installation means it is same pattern to all SAP software installation. But SAP S4HANA ideas installation is total different. Compulsory, every basis administrator want to learn SAP S4HANA fully activated appliance installation. So previously, I already told to my students. So it is very, very important. So compulsory in company, in institute also, when we are learning for SAP S4HANA, two types of softwares is there. They are not teaching. They are not teaching how many softwares is there. Two ways of softwares is there for SAP S4HANA. One is non-IDEA software is there and another one is IDEA software is there. For example, I told what is IDEAs means. For example, I told I buy a flat. I buy a flat. When I'm buying flat, I told you I want AC in flat. Already everything, interior decoration and everything is done. Already fridge, AC, TV and everything is there. I buy flat, I directly enter into the flat. I don't want to buy fridge, AC, TV, everything. Everything is there. Directly I enter into the flat. I use that environment, everything. I use TV, I use fridge, I use AC. That is ideas. Non-ideas means it is empty. For example, empty land is there. On that land, I want to build flat and everything. That is non-ideas. Non-ideas means on non-ideas, you want to you want to build that one. After building that one, you want to develop business. But the ideas is not that one. It is already built. Directly, you want to use. That is the ideas. And another important point, in non-ideas, patch supply is possible, but in ideas, patch supply is not possible. That is very, very important. So support packages is there. Support packages is that this one only support packages. In non-IDES, patch supply is possible. In IDES system, patch supply is not possible. That means what I'm telling means in IDES system, whatever they provided as it is, you want to use that one only. You want to change anything is not possible in that IDES system. That is one. Now we go to another one. SAP ERP. It is another software. Same SAP ERP is one of the SAP product. Product means in our language is software. SAP ERP is one of the products. Same here in SAP S4HANA, I told you no. Same steps I copy here. Same steps I'm copying and I'm telling that one. Here what I told SAP S4HANA is product or software. That one only I told here. SAP ERP is one of the SAP product. That means SAP ERP also one of the SAP software. So that one only I told here. Same here. SAP ERP is the name of the SAP software. SAP ERP is the name of the SAP software. So no need this one. So SAP ERP stands for SAP ERP stands for SAP, this one only, and SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. And I already told what I told. There are 6 types of databases software is there. I already told that one to all of you. Where is that databases list? Yeah, I already told there are 6 types of databases software is there. I already told. So here all the databases, here what I'm telling, all the databases is supported for installing SAP ERP. All the databases is supported for installing SAP ERP. There is no rule like SAP S4HANA. There is no rule. Only HANA database software is only supported like that. There is no rule. So this one also, how many types of SAP system? Once again, we want to gather here. So already we know there are 2 types of SAP systems, ABAP based SAP system and Java based SAP system. 2 types of SAP systems is there. Okay, now we want to go to deeply. Now we want to go deeply on SAP ERP. Now here, SAP ERP, full form is SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP ERP full form is. It is also enterprise management software. SAP ERP is one of the SAP product. SAP ERP is the name of the SAP software. It is also one of the SAP software. SAP ERP stands for Miss full form is SAP ERP full form is SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. So all databases is supported for installing SAP ERP. Now, how many types of SAP systems? You know, two types, ABAP-based SAP system and Java-based SAP system. Now here, what we want to know is, okay, first of all here, before telling this one, now we want to see SAP ERP releases. SAP ERP releases. Okay, EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. SAP ERP releases EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. So in short, so that is the full form here is there clearly. SAP Enhancement Package 1. SAP Enhancement Package. EHP full form is Enhancement Package. SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. SAP ERP 6.0. Okay. So EHP full form is Enhancement Package. EHP full form is. So you call like this. You called SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. Or you call like this also EHP 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. Like or you call like this also SAP ERP 6.01 also. Like that also you call is possible. 6.01 means SAP ERP 6.0 Enhancement Package 1. That is the meaning. Now when it is released, it is completed. Expect. When it is expect, last month it is expect. So it is expect last year, 2025, and it is expect. So expect EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0 is dead. That product version is not available. Now we go to another one. Another one means same. Enhancement package 2. Okay, so we see this one. Enhancement package 1, 2 also is dead. Same last year, 2 also will be dead. Dead. When it is released in 2007, it is released. This one is released around 2000, it is 2007, 2006 like that. Okay, it is dead. EHP2 also dead last year. Now we see about EHP3. That one also is dead. Last year only. That one also is dead. I show here. Okay, it's dead. Next, EHP4. That one also is dead. Okay, last year, dead. Next, EHP5. That one also is dead, I think. EHP5 also. Yeah, that one also is dead. Next, EHP6, that one is not dead. EHP6. Okay, that one is available. In 2012, it is released 2027. 2012, 2027, 2030. What is yesterday? I did not tell about this extended maintenance. Yesterday in S4HANA, we did not see about extended maintenance. Today we are seeing about extended maintenance. What is that extended maintenance means? So after SAP, they providing what is the meaning of mainstream maintenance? SAP, they provide support to that one until this date only. So from 28 onwards, 2028 year onwards, you use this product version in company means for maintenance purpose, you want to provide amount. For example, maintenance means this is patches. You want to apply patches to your SAP system means you want to pay some amount and do patches. For example, extended warranty is there. For your mobile, extended warranty is there. In extended warranty, okay, your mobile screen card temper glass is okay, your mobile screen is broken. Okay, you have extended warranty, but you want to pay some amount. So, for example, 5,000 is 7,000 is new screen, 7,000. But you have extended warranty. You no need to pay full amount 7,000. You want to pay only just to 2,000 like that. They told 1,000, 2,000. Remaining no need to pay. Why means you have extended warranty. Like that here also extended maintenance means in extended maintenance period, you use this product version in extended maintenance period. After 2028 year, you use this product version in extended maintenance. On that one, you do any activity means you want to pay some amount and do activity. That is the meaning of extended maintenance. Okay, after EHP7. This is previous version. EHP7 is previous version. EHP7 is the previous version. This one also is not dead. Same 2013, 2027, 2013, 2027, 2030. Is not dead. So that means until end of 2027 year, it is possible to install EHP6, EHP7. Now latest one is EHP8. Latest one is EHP8. In 2016 it is released. This is the name of the product version I am telling. EHP8. This is the name of the product version. In 2016 it is released. Same 2027, 2030. Here you remember one point what you get here 2016. Last ERP version is 2016. In 2016 only SAP S4HANA first version they released. When SAP S4HANA started releasing on that time onwards, they stopped SAP ERP releases. They did not release from 2016 onwards. So when SAP S4HANA they started releasing on that time onwards, so they stopped SAP ERP. Why means SAP ERP only SAP S4HANA. SAP ERP only SAP S4HANA. That you want to know. SAP ERP latest version only SAP S4HANA. They changed the name. They changed the name. SAP ERP latest version only SAP S4HANA. They changed the name. Okay, here these 5 versions is dead. These 5 versions are dead. Only these 3 versions only is available. In SAP ERP, only that 3 versions only is available for installing. Remaining all is dead. Now we want to know another important point we want to know now. What is that important point? Means I told SAP ERP 6.06 0708. These three versions only is available in SAP ERP. Now, here what we want to know means SAP ECC. SAP ECC full form is SAP ERP Central Component. Here, yesterday I told what I told by using SAP S4HANA, we are installing SAP S4HANA server system. I told you no. Here also, by using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. This one. By using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. It is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ECC also is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ECC is the name of the SAP system. SAP ECC is the name of the SAP system. Like that here also, SAP ERP is the name of the application. What here I am telling? SAP ERP is main software. By using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. It is ABAP-based SAP system. By using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC. SAP ECC, all databases software is supported. So here also they told what I told here I show. Yesterday I show, like that here I show one thing. Here I am opening old SAP certification book, in 2018 year. So here I am opening old SAP certification book in 2018 year. Okay, now here, this one, Visa. Install an SAP ERP. ERP full form is ECC. ECC full form is SAP ERP Central Component. What here they telling? Install an SAP ECC 6.06 system. They telling. Install an SAP ECC 6.06 system. So clearly what they're telling, how we install? By using SAP ERP. By using SAP ERP, we install SAP ECC. SAP ECC full form only SAP ERP Central Component. So by using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. Here we saw install an SAP XSS 6.06 system. Install an SAP XSS 6.06 system. Okay. When in 2018 book, this is the old book. Now I close this book. I open another book. Same book I am opening. It is also in 2018. So it is 2018 end the release. 2018 end the release. Here we saw they're telling install an SAP ECC 6.07. But here they are not telling install an SAP XSS. They are not telling SAP XSS. SAP XSS is Java-based SAP system. SAP XSS is Java-based SAP system. Here, by using SAP ERP 6.06. By using SAP ERP 6.06, I want to install SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP 6.07, I want to install SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP 6.08, I want to install SAP ECC system. So in company, they ask you, all the students in company, they ask you, you want to install SAP ECC system, means you want to know how we install SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP, we want to install SAP ECC system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system, and it is ABAP based SAP system, not Java based SAP system. Now here, SAP XSS is Java based SAP system. It is SAP ECC is ABAP system. SAP ECC is ABAP system. But SAP XSS is Java system. Here what I show, by using that books part I show, end of 2018, in up to 2018 year, SAP, by using SAP ERP, it is possible to install SAP XSS system. Up to 2018 year, SAP ERP is possible to install Java-based SAP system. Clearly, I show here. Up to 2018 year, there is SAP XSS means Java-based SAP system only. SAP XSS. But from 2019 year onwards, sorry. From 2019 year onwards, SAP ERP is not supported for installing a Java-based SAP system. That I am telling. That means SAP ERP supported for installing ABAP-based SAP system only. By using SAP ERP, it is possible to install SAP ECC system only. SAP ECC system is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ECC full form is SAP ERP Central Component. It is also enterprise management software. So, same like SAP Hana. And one more important point here, but when you are installing SAP ECC system, all databases is supported. For here, I'm showing. Here I show clearly. I'm expanding this one here. Here we saw EH8 for SAP ERP 6.0 ABAP option is there. Here there is no option. EH8 for SAP ERP 6.0 Java option is not there. That one only I'm telling. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java. So here, these are the databases: DB2, MaxDB, MS SQL Server, Oracle, SAP Hana, SAP ASC. All databases is supported for installing SAP ERP. All databases is supported for installing SAP ERP. there is no rule like SAP S/4HANA, only HANA database is supported. Like that, when we want to install SAP ERP, only Oracle databases is supported. Like that, there is no rule. All databases is supported for installing SAP ECC system. Nowadays, it is not possible to install SAP XSS system. SAP XSS is Java-based SAP system. That one. Okay, now what we want to do means, now, okay, we got it, releases and everything. Okay, now we want to know about kernels. We already know Unicode, UC, non-Unicode, NUC. Two types of kernels is there, we know. Two types of kernel software is there, we know. Now we want to know Unicode kernel software is supported or non-Unicode kernel software is supported, both supported, like that. So before knowing that one, I want to show the releases. I want to show the releases of, first we want to know SAP ERP 6.06 release. Now directly we go to the real-time systems. We go to the real-time systems. Okay, here. Sorry, I came to plants. Sorry, we go to real-time systems now. Total systems. Now we want to see SAP ERP 6.06 no. Okay, here we saw EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0. So once again, I'm checking software components. Basis. Here also SAP ABA is there, basis is there. 731 release. 731. Now SAP ERP 6.07. EHP7. 740 release. 740 release. Now EHP8, SAP ERP 6.08. It is 750 release. EHP8. It is 750 release. 750. Oh, okay, 750. Now we see the kernels. Kernel softwares, which kernel software is supported. Now we see that one. ERP. In that one, EHP6. Kernel, this one, SAP kernel 722 EXT 64-bit Unicode. This kernel version is supported. SAP kernel 722 EXT Unicode. Okay, this is the kernel version is supported for SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. Now EHP 7 we see. Here we saw SAP kernel 753 64-bit. SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 754 64-bit. SAP kernel 754 64-bit Unicode. Here we saw we want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 means 753, 754, two kernel versions is supported, but Unicode kernel is there, non-Unicode kernel. Both will be supported. Why? I already told non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and lower releases. I already told you non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and lower releases. So here SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 release is 740 release. That's why non-Unicode kernel is supported. But here very important, SAP always recommended to you, we use Unicode kernel only. We don't use non-Unicode kernel. But here I'm telling one important point. Some companies, they are using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 non-Unicode system. When they install before 10 years like that. Now what they do is they convert non-Unicode system to Unicode. That's what they do. EHP8. Now we want to see EHP8. EHP8 is 750 release. That's why only Unicode kernel only supported. EHP8 is 750 release. That's why only Unicode kernel only supported. Non-Unicode kernel is not supported. Okay, 753 Unicode, 754 non-Unicode. Non-Unicode is not supported. Only Unicode only is supported. Non-Unicode is not supported. Why it is 750 release? SAP kernel is supported. Non-Unicode is supported up to 740 release. So it is only Unicode kernel only supported 753, 754. For example, now we install in company server, we install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 means non-Unicode kernel is there supported, but SAP always recommended we use Unicode kernel only. So 753, 754 kernel versions is supported. Sorry. Okay. Now, finally, one thing we want to tell in this one, and we want to complete this SAP ERP releases. Here we saw EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. In that one, central application means SAP ECC. Okay. Central applications. In that, SAP ERP 6.0 also is installing. SAP ERP 6.0, SAP ECC server. So we are getting SAP ECC server. Not only that one, SAP NetWeaver, another software. SAP NetWeaver is another software. That one also. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Application server ada. Okay, that means what here I'm telling, when you install SAP ERP 6.0 EHPate, you get central applications, SAP ECC server, and application server ABAP. Two softwares is there. SAP NetWeaver software also we are getting that one. It is also big system. It is also big system. Okay. So it is possible to install? Yeah. Practice purpose is possible. 8 GB RAM we require. Okay, 1 TB hard disk. SSD normal your wish. It is possible to install for practicing SAP basis. But you remember this is big system. It will take more time. Big system. It is also enterprise management software. For this also, IDS non-IDS software is there. For this also, IDS non-IDS software is there. Why? It is enterprise management software only. SAP ERP, no? Only these three only available. Here you saw IDS version, IDS software, IDS version. This is non-IDS. Okay, SAP ERP also, IDS non-IDS is there. Why SAP S/4HANA and SAP ECC softwares have IDS software and non-IDS software? Anyone ask means what is the answer means? Because it is enterprise management software. That is the answer. What is the answer? Enterprise management software. Enterprise management softwares only we get IDS and non-IDS softwares. Two types. Okay, two types of softwares is there in SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP. IDS software is there, non-IDS software is there. Why in particular in that two softwares only? Why in IDS software and non-IDS software means the two softwares only enterprise management softwares. Remaining all SAP softwares is not enterprise management software. Very, very important point. All of you remember. What is that? Very, very important point means SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP. Only these two softwares only enterprise management softwares. Only these two softwares only we get SAP S/4HANA IDS and SAP ERP IDS and SAP S/4HANA non-IDS and SAP ERP non-IDS. Remaining all SAP softwares are not enterprise management software. That's why, for example, here NetWeaver is there, no? NetWeaver is one of the software here. Or NetWeaver software is there, no? This NetWeaver is not enterprise management software. That means by using NetWeaver, it is not possible to install IDS system. Why? Because it is not enterprise management software. Only SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA only enterprise management software. In the two softwares only IDS is software is there. So in company you see that is IDS system means it is ECC, SAP ERP or SAP S/4HANA. SAP S/4HANA IDS, SAP ECC IDS. Only these two softwares only is possible to install IDS system. Remaining all softwares is not possible to install IDS system. Why means remaining all softwares is not enterprise management software. By using SAP S/4HANA only, it is possible to install IDEA system. By using SAP ERP only, it is possible to install IDEA system. SAP ECC latest version only. SAP ECC system latest version only. SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP ECC only. SAP S/4HANA server system. Both are not different. Both are same. SAP ECC system only. SAP S/4HANA server system. They changed the name. SAP ECC latest version only. SAP S/4HANA server system. Both are same. That's why only up to 2016 they release SAP ERP. When SAP S/4HANA they're releasing in 2016. On that time onwards they did not release SAP ERP. Why means SAP ERP latest version only. SAP S/4HANA. SAP ECC system only. SAP S/4HANA server system. Both are same. These two systems only supported for installing IDEAS. Why means these two systems only enterprise management softwares. Remaining systems are not enterprise management softwares.